Introducing the Gocator 3520. Structured light generates high-density 3D data with a single scan trigger. Embedded dual-core controller delivers onboard data processing with low latency. Custom 5-megapixel cameras provide high XY resolutions. Stereo camera design uses 3 views to capture more scan data and minimize occlusions. Brighter LED projection output delivers shorter exposure times and faster data acquisition rates. Built-in scan, measurement, and control delivers metrology-grade inspection at production speeds. Greater scan coverage provides increased flexibility. And easy built-in robot integration delivers greater automation value in a cost-efficient hardware package. Gocator 3520 delivers 3D inspection into many new applications such as Gocator 3520 Snapshot sensors are also suited for general factory automation applications, where smart 3D robot vision delivers greater automation value.